Hello, kids. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you're having a nice Juneteenth. I don't know where I am at this point, but I'm recording this on Thursday at 5:43, and this is an algebra lesson. It's very easy. So we have at a visit to the book fair, Jana buys 7 hardcover books and 5 paperback books. She's going to give an equal number of books to each of her 3 cousins. How many books will each of Jana's cousins get? I want you to try this right now. Pause the video and try this right now. I want to see if you know what to do first, second, and last. Did you pause the video? I hope you did. If not, pause it now and do the problem. I'm going to go over it. Okay, so we're going to write an equation. 7 plus 5, right? You got 7 hardcover, 5 paperback. She's going to give an equal number of books to each of her 3 cousins. Okay, well, that means you're going to divide, right? You're going to divide by 3. Now, are you going to divide 5 by 3? No. You're going to add these up first. So you're going to have this imaginary parentheses. And it's going to be, wait a minute, 7 plus 5, equal number, okay, yeah, 12 divided by 3, and that's going to be 4. So each cousin is going to get 4. Okay, that was pretty easy. Now, there was an order of operations. This is called the order of operations. You do this first and then second. Now, what happens if you don't have parentheses? Let's see. Okay, first of all, this is extremely important. Let me just make this bigger. This is really important. Number 1, you must always perform the operations inside the parentheses. Okay, that is the first order of operations. Always. P, 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 parentheses, 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 parentheses. Then you're going to multiply and divide from left to right. And you can even divide first if divide is on the left. So it doesn't matter, multiply and divide, whatever one comes on the left, that's what you're going to do first. Finally, you're going to add and subtract from the left to right. Again, it doesn't matter what order, you can subtract first if it's on the left first, or you can add first if it's on the left first. So this one was easy because all you had is parentheses. But notice that you added first, then divided. Why? Because it was parentheses first. Now, here's another way that you can memorize this. It's called PEMDAS, okay? You don't really have to memorize it, but here it is, PEMDAS. This is the order of operations. So you're going to do parentheses first, always, then exponents. So if you see something like 4 to the cube, right? This is going to be the second thing you do. But you're never going to see that in 4th grade, so don't even worry about that. You don't need to do the E. PEMDAS. It sounds better with the E, though. PEMDAS. You can just say PEMDAS, but that doesn't sound good. So then you have multiply and divide. Multiply and divide doesn't matter what order it is as long as it's on the left first. Left to right. Left. Oh, I was going to write the word right with a W. Left to right. Then, again, same exact thing. You're going to add and subtract from left to right. But you always multiply and divide before you add and subtract. What is this guy talking about? Let's practice. Okay, using your PEMDAS, multiply, divide, add, subtract. There are no parentheses, so you don't have to do P, you don't have to do exponents. What are you going to do first? Multiply the 3 and the 4, or add the 7 and the 3? Think about it. Pause the video. All right, hopefully you thought about it. It's multiply first. You multiply before you add. M before A. That's going to be multiplication. So you can even make your parentheses here if you want. I mean, you don't have to. It's going to be 12, and then you add. Now, is it going to be the same thing? Whoa, someone just asked that. Lorene, I know you just asked that in your head. What do you think? Oh, Lamb Chops, you're not good at math. Can you please just stay out of this? You disrupted my class. The whole, no, I didn't. They loved me. I want to talk to them. No. Lamb Chops, you go over there and eat some grass. Okay, what happens if you do this first? Let's see if it's the same thing. It's going to be 10 times 4. Whoa, that's 40. Oh, man, but 7 plus 12, that's 19. So, yes, the order of operations matters. What I do first actually does change the outcome. If I add and then multiply, which is what I did here, it's going to be 40. That's not the answer. The answer is 19. Oh, man. All right. Now, this is a little trickier. I want you to try this one on your own. Pause the video. All right. Let's check it out. Parentheses first. Oh, we do have to subtract. Even though subtract is the last letter, if it's in the parentheses, it always goes first. This is going to be 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Let's do another one. I want to do math too. Lamb Chops, go cook some meat or something. All right. Now, what are you going to do first? Everyone, right now, try it. Pause the video. All right, unpause the video. Well, you probably already did since you're hearing me right now. Okay, so what are you going to do first? Multiply, divide, depending on what's on the left first. So we're going to multiply first. 7 times 5, 35, divided by 4. What's that? Well, it can't be 9, right? Because that would be 36 divided by 4. So you divide by 4. Please try this. If you didn't, please, you need to practice this. 35 divided by 4 is going to be 8. 32 is the product of 4 and 8. Remainder of 3. Let me move this little box. And that's going to be remainder of 3. Or if you can cut it up into rope or thread, which can be cut, it's 8 3/4. So that's the answer. All right, next. What do you got? Try it. Try it. I didn't write PEMDAS this time. Hopefully you memorized that word. Try the order of operations. Pause the video now. All right. I'm going to put imaginary parentheses there. Why? Because it's PE, which I don't have. I don't have parentheses. MD. Multiply first. What? Yes, multiply first. Multiply and divide as a box, whatever's left to right. Don't add yet. This is going to be 8. 7 minus 8. Oh, whoops. Okay, so you don't know how to do negative numbers. So you can just, it doesn't really matter what you do first here, okay? It's going to be the same outcome, whether you use negative numbers or not. So 7 minus 8 is going to be -1. And then if you add 8, it's going to be 7, I think. Anyway, 8 plus 8 is 16. Oh, you can't do it. All right, this is a bad example. Forget I did that one. You don't know negative numbers. This should be a bigger number. Whoops. Whoops. All right, but this is asynchronous learning. The show must go on. Hopefully I didn't make a mistake here. All right, everyone try it now. Pause the video. All right, unpause the video. Oh, you already did. Good job. All right, you're going to multiply first. 8 plus 2 divided by 2. Hold on. Hold your horses. What are you doing to me? You're not a horse. Stop talking. Okay. You have to divide first here. You have to divide first. Because it says D before A. So you pretty much make your parentheses here. This is going to be 1. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 plus 1. If you added first, that would give you 10 divided by 2 is 5. It changes the outcome. It changes the outcome. The order of operations is important. Okay, I think you're ready now. You can go on and do, you can just go on and do number 1. It even tells you what to do first and second for the first couple. And then you can just keep going on. Okay? And I'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy Juneteenth.